Hey, how's it going? This is Raul here from Direct Quality Auto Glass. We are testing the new product from Sika, which is the Sika Ultimate 30-minute cure time, primerless. Yay, this is an awesome product. We are actually doing this windshield on this Jeep. As you can see, of course, this is a primerless product, but I had to use primer. Why? Because like you guys already know, these warehouses take no pride in taking control of these moldings. These moldings, by the time we get the windshields, they're all bent up and everything. So I primered everything up so that way the adhesion from the molding makes a very good contact on the glass. But how great is it to have the product, but to also have Fred the man himself here, right? So this is awesome. Fred's like, yay, cool. Yay. So check this out with the Jeeps. When we are shooting the adhesive, I know a lot of people like to start here in the middle. I don't like to do that for the same exact reason. When you shoot a nice clean bead all the way around, you're not having any customer telling you that they can hear like a whistle or any kind of like a sound or anything like that whatsoever. So first things first, of course, this is all prepped. The body is already prepped. We have a brand new tip. We have, of course, our Ultimate primerless. And one of the biggest things we see is a lot of people start shooting the urethane in an angle. Remember, you always have to shoot it at 90 degrees, okay? So here we go. Remember, when shooting the adhesive, keep it at 90 degrees. Practice your footwork whenever you're doing this. That way you have a nice consistent bead. Go ahead and fix yourself. And then right here, we're gonna go ahead and just connect it. Oh, here's another thing too, if you guys don't realize what I'm doing. I'm not shooting the bead just straight, I'm also turning the tip of the gun a little bit so that way the adhesive is actually holding onto the molding. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to one of the techs. I want you guys to check this out right here. Here in the bottom, it's the bottom is completely touching. I'm gonna go ahead and start closing it like this. That way I don't leave any bubbles in the middle, okay? Cool, that's the bottom. Here's here. There you go, just create a little knob like that and we are good. Cool, so alrighty, so Sid and I, we're gonna go ahead and set this already. Ready? Yes. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. Okay. Ready? And go. Go ahead and focus on top, please. And we're good. As you guys can see with this molding, it's covering nice. We ended up going with the Marcy molding, the PUG M7, just because the factory one was coming loose, so we had to redo it. We're still gonna go ahead and set the windshield a little better, but that's pretty much it when it comes to a safe installation. Of course, we recommend Sika products. That's all we use here at the shop. Use the new Ultimate primerless urethane. It's a great adhesive. I know you guys will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.